Yes, man.
So many adjectives to describe chicken. Crisp, mouth-watering, delicious. But the most fitting one for this little situation where we have right there so is fearless. Contents of a song when you do something. This whole video right there so is that song personified or chickenified, whichever way you want to call it. That chicken you make up in mind say if a dirt, make sure say the ash is well hot. I feel like there was a pot on the fire and the chicken box is clean up. Cuckoo. Who not go cook? For you see how the fowl there look, you know say it don't need no seasoning. It needs an exorcism. I mean, I just wonder to myself if I this go on more time when you go to a certain food place we sell chicken and then come back and tell you say chicken done. The chicken not done. The fowl them round a back a demonstrate. Fowl them round a back a whole civil rights rally. Couple years into the future, we're going to see the same fowl here with the same stance here. Power $45 cent. Yeah, you're gonna hear that. $45 cent. Clockius 2021. Chicken civil rights leader. Remember me to tell you. Probably need to turn vegan now because this look like the chicken uprising. About to happen. And them are gonna torture me wickedest out of everybody else cause a chicken alone me eat. Might as well me save myself some pain and turn vegan for now before the uprising. Yeah, me shook.
No fuck are you?
That is it. Thank you for your videos and video suggestions. It's getting too crazy. You think it, you believe it. And make we go turn vegan if you achieve it.